Hello and welcome to another tutorial from Pegasus Drone Media. Today we're going to be looking at another one of the H+ flight modes, and today it's going to be Follow Me. The Follow Me function allows the aircraft to follow the controller no matter your orientation. It locks onto the ST16S and follows that no matter where you go. To start this function, open up the flight mode screen, which is the bottom left icon on your ST16S controller screen. This will then bring up another menu. Tap the Follow Me function menu and then make sure that your aircraft is at least 8 meters away from you and 2 meters in the air. Then tap OK. Immediately the aircraft is then in Follow Me mode. You haven't got to do anything else. The aircraft will then simply follow the controller. You can change the angle of the camera, you can change the height of the aircraft, which I'll show you in a second. By adjusting the height of the aircraft, you can get different angles while it will still follow you. You have full control over the gimbal in all modes, and therefore you can get different perspectives and get that follow absolutely perfect. As always, if you've enjoyed this quick tutorial, please consider subscribing to the Pegasus Drone Media channel and also hitting the notification bell to let you know when I upload any more tutorials. Thanks very much indeed for watching this one. All the best, and I'll see you again.